At a time when the Meghalaya government is prioritizing the promotion of science education, the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya has initiated the Science Exposure Trip 2025 for the students from the rural areas who participated in the Science Congress in the state last year. Today, a batch of 37 students embarked on the journey, and over the course of January, a total of 146 participants divided into 4 batches will visit prominent scientific hubs in Kolkata, Chennai and Bengaluru.
These are the students who have participated in the National Children's Science Congress in the previous year, 2024, and they are giving this opportunity to them so that they can get themselves exposed, get themselves new learning and skills by interacting with scientific institutions in different states of the country.
And this exposure trip is organized to those students participate in the Science Congress organized by the state, and then this is opportunity for them to go and explore all the scientific institution organizing by the different state council out there in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
The Durbar Shnong of Umshang